mdomo, mimi nitaziuma. Asizikula mbili. Labo. Guy appetizer was, you know, people always talk about this thing online. So, Mimi, I always take it like as a joke. But no, they don't joke with food. So they, oh my lordy, oh my lord. Hello, my beautiful people of YouTube. Oh my lord, how are you doing? Ati nini? Tumeanza. Oh my god, oh my god. Venye tu title inasema, we are traveling. Laboso, nianze? Wacha nianze. Najua kuna mahali itafika nilemewe. So, ndo tunatoka, tumejiami. I'm here with my colleagues. Utawaona huko mbele. For now, let's get into the video. Woo! Nitengeneze Laboso kiti. Oh guys, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark here. Ndo hao wengine huko mbele. And there we go. And there is our driver Murio. Hata haonekani, wewe mseni mweusi. Hebu salimia watu wangu, say hi.
Hi.
Waambie wa subscribe.
Subscribe kwa channel.
Tupatane mbele.
Kabisa.
Kadere.
Kimende. Barabara za Singapore.
So here we come. Oh my lord. My lord, ndo tumetoka. Na watu wengine huko nyuma. Sijui kama mtaona.
Acha kusaidia lights.
There we go. Say hi.
Hey. Hi. How are you?
Kwa nini travel? So here we come.
Valentine's has just begun.
Oh my lord, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Road to 10k subscribers. Woo!
What?
Yes, road to 10k subscribers. So guys, tupatane mbele. Acha niwaonyeshe barabara, ndo tumetoka location. Now we are heading to the main location. So guys, tupatane huko mbele, nitawa-update huko mbele.
Hii gari itachoma hawa watu, haina dim.
Gani hii yetu?
Tenda tu na hivyo. Tutachomwa hata sisi tu.
Sasa hiyo ndio nilikuwa nataka kuambia. Mtu ataona.
Emily. Tumediscover nini ilikuwa mbaya?
Ni nini?
Nipata nyingine hapa. Sasa ni nzuri sahihi.
Umeipata? Hiyo ni kumaanisha hiyo ndio handbrake yake.
Hapana.
Aki kuna kaa poa. Hata kamera haifanyi justice. Oh my lordy. Mnyama. Oh my god. Hey, Nasi, I have slept. This place is fun. Hata hatujafika bado. Tuko wapi? Hata sijui tuko wapi. But I'm very sleepy. Hata sijui kama mnanisikia. Tunagoja hawa wengine, sijui gari imefanya nini. So wako behind. Tunatafuta mahali tunaweza kunywa chai au kuna place hapa. Mimi hata sijui tuko wapi. But tumepita Gilgil. Hatujafika Nax. The destination wapi? Ni Eldoret. Hey, mimi nishachoka. Wallahi. Sijaienda long distance by road. Nakwambia it's not a joke. Cha kwanza tutafute chai. Wapi? Hii side. Acha niwaonyeshe mahali tunaenda kutafuta chai.
Hata sijaona kitu ya kula hapo ndani. Mimi nilinunua chai ya soda.
So sio expensive. Mia iko sawa. Mi ikipita 100 ndo sasa. Okay, Mia it's not expensive for tea. Oh my God, where? Hey, such an experience. Hizi ni baridi, hizi juu. Ndio. Hapa tutakaa wapi? Ndio nikaange pale. Oh my God. Hey. Sasa niwaambie guys. I have never experienced whatever I'm experiencing right now. Hata sijui ni saa ngapi. It's what time? Let me see. Ni 1:19 a.m. right now. Sorry. I'm chewing. Bad manners. So I'm saying it's at 1:19 a.m. We are at sijui tuko katikati ya
15 kilometers to Nakuru.
15 kilometers to Naks. Hey, 15 kilometers. Na tunaenda destination yetu. Hey, sote yangu imetokana. Oh my Lord. Destination yetu ni Naks. No LD. So we are supposed to go sleep at Eldoret so that tomorrow we have an occasion at Soi, so that we can, of course we won't rauka, so we are supposed to go sleep there. Sasa tuende Soi. Now I'm trying to imagine we are here right now, hatujafika hata Naks. Tutafika saa ngapi? Such an experience. Okay, it's not a bad one because at least I slept. But where? Si mchezo, but it's fun. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh my God. Yeah. One, two. The house, Sisi, I'm taking tea. The Labusu, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Morio, say hi. Well, oh my God. So here we are. So guys, this is where we are. Well, hey, I guess this is the area that people stops, because when we came there were so many people here inside. Also, there are so many cars outside. Let me turn the camera so that you guys can see me. So I'm saying, okay, don't mind the background. So I'm saying, I guess this is the stopover. I don't know which stopover, I don't know the name, but when we came in, there were so many people here inside, so many people. Then there were so many cars there outside. Right now you can see most of them have left. But where? Number one, the tension. But I love Mori is the one who is driving our car. He's such a good driver. Maybe I rarely sleep, but when you see me sleeping, know that driver top notch. So he's a smooth driver, and yeah, I'm hoping tutafika fine, tutafika salama, and I can't wait. I know some people are wondering, why do you have makeup at this time? Let me tell you guys, we were shooting the whole day before we left to to wherever we are right now. So yeah, we are now waiting for others. I don't know why they are taking so long, but at least tumepata time ya kupumzika, time ya kutulia. I'm taking tea as obvious as we wait for the next. Nagoja niletewe donut. I have taken smoky and I'm like, yo, not enough. So now I want a cake as I take my tea here. Then we proceed. Nitaonyesha kwenye tunaenda. I'll show you the hotel. I hope it looks good. I hope. Then I'll show you the occasion that we will be attending tomorrow. Then after that, we will sleep there. Then after that, we come back. Go back to Nairobi until we come back. After that, we go back to Nairobi. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. It's fun. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Hey, nimeanza get inaitanga nini hiyo nini ya kwenda mtakishoot mbele ya watu? Courage, audacity. Sahi hakuna uoga. So, okay, not necessarily uoga, like kama nishaanza kuzoea. Anyway, my loves, stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, comment. Tupatane mbele, wacha kwanza kunywa chai. I'll show you whatever I'm having. I'm waiting. There is something that nasikia sijui wakiita half cake. So I'm waiting nione ni nini hiyo. I take, I'll show you. Then we proceed because oh my lord. Inakaa ngumu. Kwani ni ngumu kubwa? Thank you. Na hii stuff. Ati half cake. Ngumu kubwa. Let's try it. Just that I have no other option and I'm hungry. Oh my god.
Is it more than 8 kilometers?
Yo.
Iko tangu.
Hey, updates. Tushamalizana na taking snacks, kupumzika. Now we proceed. Niko hapa kwa gari yetu. That car there. So now we proceed. Tupatane huko mbele kwa barabara. Nitawaonyesha. Na makeup ishanichosha.
I respect that. Have a kangumu. It's 2 a.m. We are here. We are almost Nakuru right now. Have a kangumu. Have a bite.
Asante.
Oh.
My love, tupatane huko mbele.
Twende pale.
Because sijai enda long distance na nini by road usiku.
Ndio hii experience.
Sasa inanikalia sijui aje. Okay, ni fun. Of course it's very fun to experience kitu new, lakini si mchezo. Jokes aside. Hey, waku tupatane huko mbele. Subscribe, like, comment and share. How many hours later? Where? Say ni 7:16. Tumefika LG. Hey, AM. Tuko na specific time ya kuamka?
Tunangoja Bella.
So guys, my eyes, don't mind me. Simunaelewa, I have slept because tumefika 7 a.m. 7 something actually. So let me give you guys a quick room tour. Kila mtu ako na room yake. Okay, I love the space. It's not bad considering it's just for a few. I'm supposed to be up by 11 a.m. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to sleep because I have been sleeping all the way. So let me give you guys a quick room tour so that I can freshen up and feel better. So here is the washroom. And the shower, and they have a towel there. I don't know why it's brown, but it's okay. This one is enough for me. Then here is the bed. There's somewhere to lay my head. Mirror there. Oh, then they have a TV. They have this Kanini cassette. I love that they have this Bible. I use this one at home. I have that one. Then their menu is here. Then my bags, my things, and yeah, that's it. And I don't know about the view. Oh, that's the view. We've parked there down, and the stage, it's just here. What's the name of the hotel again? Oh, is it written here? Is it? I can't see it anywhere. I can't. So that's my room tour. It's enough for me because I'm not staying here for long. So my loves, let me go freshen up. I'm not sure whether I'll sleep. Maybe I'll just lay my head kidogo. So let me shika my hair, go freshen up, then tuone what next. So guys, I'm here at my small space. Juu kusi kwetu. Nasija travel starehe. Even hit the way I update my sister, or rather my best friend. Kwa kila kitu hadi niko like yo. Hey, enyewe. I just love that girl so much. Okay, inakuanga two-way thing. It's not one-sided. So, let me tell you guys, I'm trying to sleep. No, I can't sleep. It's already 8, sijui what. I'm supposed to be up at 11 a.m. so that we can go sijui shopping. After shopping, we come back, if I'm not wrong, we get ready so that we can head out to where we are going. Where? Oh my lord. I'm trying to sleep, I can't sleep. I keep on texting my sister, mom, a lot of things. every little detail. But please make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. Oh my lord. I'm used to traveling with her, and it's always fun. Now it's work related. Okay, let me call it work related. And yeah, what? Tell me why I can't even sleep. Okay, I have eaten lollipops along the way, so my tongue is basically blue, and I have so many inside my bag. And now here I am, I'm overthinking. Yo, I think there should be a medicine or something for us overthinkers. Oh my god, picky. Piki. Meenda. So I'm saying there should be like a medicine or something for us overthinkers. Because tell me why I overthink like literally everything. Is that not concerning? Guy. Anyway, I guess now tuko sijui Mahindi Hotel. We are so many. We are 10. Yeah, we are 10. Na tuko wote watu wa Inspector Mwala, but we are 10. Kila mtu ako na karoom kake. Okay, they are not big. They are not hizo manini kubwa. But I love the fact that kila mtu ako na privacy yake. Like kila mtu ako na ka space kake. That one is a tick. I love that. That one is a tick. Tick. So now, hata sijui, what am I supposed to do next? I don't know. I'm supposed to charge my phone, but the socket iko mbali and I want to scroll my phone. I can't sleep. Okay, I have tried. My sleep is not coming. Alafu niko peke yangu, I'm alone. I have been checking whether I have closed that door for sijui. Where? I'll just pray. I'll put my phone. Let me update my sister. Then I put my phone there. I charge. There is a Bible here, which looks exactly like mine. And because I always have those Bible verses in my head, I'll just pray. At least ni feel kuna venye after praying, mimi hu feel poa. Well, meanwhile, I'm loving it. I'm not complaining. I'm loving it. I'm loving the experience and I can't wait to explore more on these sides. Okay, sorry about the lighting. Itabidi tu munielewe. But, well, I'll get that to you, my loves. Oh my God, I hope naniona poa. Good morning, my loves. Oh my God, I have not just woken up. I woken up minutes earlier. I'm ready. Not sure whether you can see what I'm wearing right now. Oops. Oh my God. I'm not sure whether you can see me well, but I'll show you when I'm outside. But where I love the fit. Kama uli watch ile video ya Isli. No, this is what we had gone to get and I love it. So we're supposed to head outside. We go have breakfast. After tuambiwe what next so that we can proceed to Soy. But later tutarudi hapa. So I'm leaving my things here, but I'll carry my Masai sugar, my Masai leso in case kuwe na baridi ama in case tuchelewe na huko. But yo, I love this fit. I love it. So guys, let's head out. What do I need? Nothing. I hate carrying handbags. Especially, okay, it depends, but for now I'm not carrying it. So we go. Oh my God. Oh, I should not leave this curtain like this. Yeah. Oops. What is wrong with my shoes? So guys, twende. There's the key. My room is number. I don't know, but I'll check here. Mlango. There we go. Mnakaa fine. Morio fine. Ewe Mungu wangu, asante. We go. Mimi nayo bags baby. We go. So guys, we are heading out. There we go. Oh my God. There we go. So guys, we are now heading out. So here we come. Please make sure you subscribe. Hii kuteseka si mchezo. More. So tunapeana key hapa. Si ndio? Tunapatiana. Good morning. Mimi nimetoka tu 208.
Oh, Emily, hey, thank you. What? Mimi ningejiza. Emily.
Oh my lordy. Hey. Tunana.
Huyu ameamua tu kujifungia yake atanifungia hata.
Kwanza ameiweka tu.
Wako ni wapi? Wacha ndugu yetu alafu tuende. Kwa fresh.
Namna gani Morio? Salama. Uko poa? Unajua sasa ndio umebeba. Morio anasumbua sana. Lavenda natuweka habari yako. Sawa sawa. Morio asante. Mmoja wako rafiki yangu. Yuko hivi. Wewe Morio mwenyewe.
Kwa picha?
Na maziwa.
Wave. Say hi. Sawa. Kwanza the audacity. Huyo mwenye anakuja kufungua hadi gari. Anyways, we move.
Eldoret, here we are.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh my lordy. The views. Woof.
Land of Champions, they call themselves that. Uasin Gishu County.
Oh, tunaingia hapa? No. Hata kama sijui ni.
Bella, let us sura.
Bella.
Hi.
Ambia subscribe.
Say cheese.
My lordy. So sasa tuko stopover ya kwanza for the day. Sasa niende hata mimi nikaone Kenya inafanyangwa.
Kuja na simu yangu tale.
I have it.
Sauri yako. I think pia nyote wa Mwala mnafaa tu decide tukienda mahali hivi mna haya mpaka security.
Sarah, say hi to my people.
Hi, good people.
Oh my lordy.
Good afternoon.
Ndio wa subscribe.
Subscribe to Unaita Kotalia.
So now we are done shopping.
And Sugoi or soy?
Soy,
here we come. In the next 30 minutes.
We will be there. You better be ready for us because it's
and subscribe.
Thank you. So here we go. Oh my lordy, oh my lord. We are at Eldoret right now. So in 30 minutes we will be at Soi. So see you there. See you on the road.
Hi.
Ona ile inapendwa, inasaidia na inaaminika.
Wow. Wow.
Nisipoweka hata zioni hiyo. Password ni hiyo. Fanya me-connect automatically.
Yeah.
Password ni?
Ashika.
Soda usinioshe.
Ufanyie kila kitu hapo sasa.
Next tunaenda ni Kisumu.
Mwezi wa 5. 6.
5.
Alafu kwenu Emily.
November.
Na mwezi wa
Emily,
8
kwenu ni
kwa
wapi?
kina nani?
Nana.
Nana. Oh.
Hey.
Subscribe.
Chica. Oh, sorry,
We are in Soy. You can't imagine the breakfast we had. And it's time for the bites as we wait for lunch. I'm telling you, you're not ready for this. Just subscribe.
Please do more, girl. Say something.
Something. I'm genuine.
Oh, fulu mafrumbanya, mafrumbanya. Avedi, say hi to my people.
Subscribe.
Please do.
Subscribe.
Now here is the food. Hey, hii food iko ready, juu sisi tuko ready.
Sasa ni moja hapo mamangu.
Hallelujah.
Kuonyesha lunch na tunaonyesha
Hii tunapika na
Haya, hii ndo ugali ya brown.
ndio tunafunguliwa.
Hii.
Hata beti.
Oh my lord. Ay.
Naulizaje? Kwani tulikuwa
Wipi.
tunapikiwa chakula ya watu pesa?
Usijali.
Ndio piga picha.
Inakufa na natuma picha.
Oh my god.
Inakufa na natuma picha.
It's okay. Shikilia.
Sawa. Wekelea tu.
Vitu venye nanibamba.
Sasa nikifika kwa room ndo sasa nitakaa chini niwaambie venye tumekula. Tumefanya sijui nini. Hii yote ni maji.
Wale washachukua.
Nitabeba hata kwa room yetu. Hi my people. Oh my lord, how are you doing? Today we've not talked, but I had a long day. As I had told you, we were going to Soi after LD and we spent our day there. I'm very sure you have seen the clips. And yeah, we've just gotten back to our hotel. As I had mentioned, we are staying here. You know, the name is written here. Sijui Mahua Mahindi something. Now, who is that texting me at this time? It's late, by the way. It's almost 12. So we've been outside. Let me tell you guys. So, I have tea. This one is tea. Hey, literally. So it's true about how Waluyas cooks. Oh my lord. Okay, not in a bad way. This one is just to appreciate you guys. Do I have Waluya friends? Yeah, I have. I guess I have two. I guess for me, I have two friends, but of course, I know I have fans. Guess what, my loves? So we went there at our colleague's place. Soy. The place is called. It's called Soy. So after we arrived, we were given a tea appetizer. They were calling it appetizer. Do you know what they were calling appetizer? Ugh. Well, okay, let me say as a Kikuyu, as we do not cook like that, and I guess we have we have a long way to go. So the appetizer was, people always talk about this thing online. So Mimi, I always take it like as a joke, but no, they don't joke with food. So the appetizer was, we were given tea, soda, milk, mandazi, ndoma, ngwashe, boiled eggs, and jugu karanga. Yo! What do you mean? That is an appetizer? Okay, hold on. Yo! Personally, I thought that was it. After a few hours, after we had fun, they brought, of course, I already posted it. You have seen it in here in this vlog. Gosh. Now they brought in the main meal. Of course, kuku was there and it was well done. It was kienyeji and it was not that hard. Like haikuwa ngumu. Is that the correct English? It was not kingumu. It was well done, well cooked. So there was that kienyeji. There was another meat kando, now meat, fish, stew, ugali were two types, brown and white. Now the normal one. Oh my god, the brown one is sweet. I loved. Then there was chapati. There was rice, brown, and pilau, the one we are used to. And morenda. I didn't try morenda. I felt like it was morendaing like that. I felt a bit, okay, next time I'll try. Then what else? There are so many things. Then mandizi. Now the fruits. Then another tea and milk. Yo, that food. Oh my god. And that was not enough. That was not it. After like 2 hours, we were given another tea. And oh my god, we were given another tea. And it's called what? Milk and ndoma. Now hizi zenye zinaekangwa kwa mafuta. Do they have a name? Yeah, wet fried, if I'm not wrong. Ndomas. And oh my god. Yo, do you know, Mimi, I'm still shocked, like you guys. Do you know, people always talk about it. Okay, to me it's a big deal because I've never experienced that. Because people are always like, usicheze na Waluya when it comes to food. Ati kama mtoto kadogo kanaweza kula sijui yako kaunga kadogo ka ugali, akasikie ni kama kameonja, ati kanapeangwa hiyo kakuwa kasiko one kama katadishi. I'll never take that as a joke again because god, wow, Waluya, I love you. Sijui nitafuta Mluya. What do you think? But on a serious note, I loved the way they welcomed us. I loved that one. I loved everything about them. Their music, we have danced. Okay, there are some clips I can't put here because of copyright. But then guess what, guys? We came back to where we are staying. Inside my room, let me show you guys what I found inside my room. I was shocked. Let me show you. Oh, my head is tired. Before I even show you, I love flowers so much. Yesterday, I posted something on my status. It was about flowers. Like, I was like, yeah, okay, like sending signals in direct. But honestly, I did that without expecting anything. I had no expectations because right now I'm not dating. I'm very, very single. So, it was just a post. Like, it was just a post. But guess what? Now we came back from Soy. Inside my room, inside my bed, I found this. They look so good. Like, I know. Someone sent me flowers. Oh my God. And you know what? I'm gonna carry them to Nairobi. There is no way I'm leaving my flowers here. I'm carrying them to Nairobi. So in case tupatane, when I'm carrying them, know that they are my flowers. But where? Okay, I feel good. At the same time, I'm very confused because I have known who sent the flowers. Okay, I'm happy. At the same time, confused. I don't know. But yeah, I was sent flowers and I feel so good. And I guess now I'm gonna go to sleep. We catch up tomorrow morning. We are going back to Nairobi tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know, but we are going back to Nairobi tomorrow. I'll try and capture some moments for you guys and for me, of course, and for our Inspector Mwala team, Backhomers. We have a chama called Backhomers, and it's the one that brought us here. And yeah, so my loves, I love you so much, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and please support your girl. I'm just a baby girl who's trying, really trying, doing what I love. And yeah, I'm tired. I guess my eyes can tell. So tupatane kesho nikiamka. For now, good night, my loves. Good morning. How are you?
Mimi nakutafutia poda yangu na brush yako.
Ziko hapo tu.
Morio. Good morning.
Oh, atapona. Bless this bill in Jesus' name.
Mimi nilijua leo ni church.
Mimi nilijua wataita.
Unanitoa kwa hizo bila
Kuja hapa, kuja. Sasa nataka kuja, mbona venye ni kafupi. Hebu ambia watu kitu.
Hi guys, mimi sijapenda, niambia mimi. I wanna cry.
Sasa ona venye sasa mna feeling aje nikiwa hug. Na vile kama ni boyfriend yako.
Vizuri umesema, lakini kidogo nakuangalia kama
oh my lord. So now guys, we have just done what? Tumetoka kwa hoteli. We have checked. We've just checked out. Yeah. Now we have already taken our breakfast. So now we are heading out.
Yeah, and we are traveling back to Nairobi.
Mwambie mapenzi tumepata ya mapenzi tumepata ya
watu wanaonyesha mapenzi.
Oh my lord.
Wacha.
So now we are heading out. Tutapatana huko kwa barabara. I'll show you
nini kwa stopover za picha.
Stopover ya nitawaonyesha stopover kidogo. And please don't forget to subscribe.
Kindly
don't forget to
follow my girl.
Oh yeah, road to 10k
make
subscribers. Ebu waambie. So guys,
atawaletea mambo moto.
Yeah, thank you.
She don't disappoint.
I don't. Oh my lord, I don't. So my loves, tupatane huko kwa barabara.
Love you guys.
We go. We go, we go, we go. We go, we go, Gai hapa.
Hiyo ilikuwa lama nilitoka nayo.
Kama
Hebu tuende.
Yay! Oh my lordy! We go, we go. Oh my loves, oh my loves. So guys, here we are. Tuko first stopover. Inaitwa Timba
XO kwa Osudi.
Yeah, so we go, we go. Oh, pole, pole. Oh my lordy. So guys, here we are. Our first stopover as we proceed to Nairobi. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Sawa. Oh my god, this place looks so good. It looks so cool. I have never been here, of course. Like, this is LD, I have never been here, but I have heard about this Timba something. I have heard about it sana. It was not about Guthi. Okay, not about the place, but the persons, or rather the person who made me knew about it. But anyway, the place looks good. The place looks wow. You know, when we were coming, of course, you guys saw we came at night, so hakukuwa na views. Anyways, I love this one. This is our first stopover. As we proceed, I don't know the next one. I'm just waiting kuambiwa. So those are my colleagues there. They're taking pictures. We are so many. We are 10. Yeah. So, and here is the road. Obvious, the main highway. We go. Tuendelee as we proceed. Nitaendelea kuonyesha huko mbele. Please guys, akisijajitolea hivi kwa traveling vlog. I have never, most of the times I don't even talk. This time I'm even talking. Hey, this one is new. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. So as we proceed, I'll continue showing you guys around. So yeah, my lovers. Aldi, oh my lordy. So where are we right now? We are at the equator. Hey. Sijui kama hata mnanisikia. Tuko kwa second stopover. Tunaendelea na safari, imekuwa refu. Ni kama tutafika sijui 7 PM usiku. But I'm not complaining. I'm having it here. God. Mbona anakimbia? Oh my God. Hey. Yeah. My lordy. Woo. Yay. In the middle of nowhere.
You are at the
equator. Oh my lordy. Aya. Sara.
Wako barabara.
Piteni huku.
Yeah. Oh my lordy. Sijui kama tunakuanga wengi ama mimi peke yangu ndo naogopanga kuvuka barabara, especially like this one. You just overthink there in between penye gari inaweza kuja, then all of a sudden something happens. Oh my lord. But anyway, we proceed. Mdomo mimi nitaziuma, asizikula mbili labo gai, mnaleta nyinyi wote kwa nini? Akigoja si hata ugoje, songesha. Sawa, nachukua. Songesha. Nataka moja bro.
Hiyo soft. Boss, kuna soft kuliko hii. Hiyo soft hiyo. Narudisha mahindi lazima hakuna soft.
Oh my god. Yo guys, where are we right now? Even I don't even know. Let me tell you, we are tired. Personally, I am tired because this class hapa ndo Salga. Oh my god, we are at Salga. So this is the famous Salga. Yes. Oh my god. So this is where people get accidents. Oh my god. So guys, we are at Salga. God, Mimi, I know Salga because of the name. But guys, we are here now. This is our third stopover, si ndio? Tumesimama mara tatu sasa. So this is our third stopover. Hii safari ni ndefu. Kufika nao tunafika kukiwa na giza. Let me show you guys. This is where we are. I'm here with this sweet girl. Oh my god.
Salga stretch.
Huko mwisho. It's far. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So guys, we continue. Ako wapi na Morio?
Amecross.
Oh. We continue proceeding because it's not a joke. Si mchezo. We didn't come to play. Akina Sara, akina Lavenda walishatuacha wako mbele yetu, but of course they will wait for us at Kikope. So hatuna mbio, we proceed. Let me show you guys the barabara, the view of the road.
Morio, tuende Mwala usitupate hapa.
Mwana wako nyumba.
Wako nyuma.
Na wanatupatia pressure. TX hapa nyuma.
We go. We continue.
Alikuwa anataka chai.
Mashamba boys nini? Kuna huyu msichana sasa. Huyo bibi ya hii kijana wa mwingine sasa wakapeana hii kijana
kumekaa fogi. Kumekaa fogi. Oh God, oh my God.
Hiyo yote ni how much?
Hiyo ni 500.
Kwa nini? Na itoshi hata kilo?
Ni mzima.
Ni mzima. Mzima ya mbuzi?
Ni matumbo mzima.
Full inakwanga so 3.
Hey my loves, hey my loves. Where are we right now? We are at Kikopey. We've just... Sasa, is it lunch? Ama ni late lunch? We've just eaten. Now we are leaving. Sijui kama tunasimama tena. Na time imeenda. It's 5:17. Now we are at Kikopey. Safari nayo imekuwa refu, but it has been fun. It has been fun. And the kelele is too much because definitely we have parked on the road. You're on the road, ama ni at the road? Oh my lordy! So now we are waiting for the others to come so that we can proceed. I'm not sure whether we're gonna stop again, maybe at Viewpoint or at where? Del Monte. So yeah, here is our Kadere. Oh, kijana mweusi. Oh my lordy. So guys, tupatane kwa barabara as we proceed with our road trip, because definitely sasa ishakuwa road trip and it's super fun. Super fun. So let's go.
Asanteni.
Thank you.
Aende tu. Tunajua tao sisi wote sasa. Bella onja.
So my loves, from there I guess I didn't record much, but we arrived safely. I arrived at home at 9:43 p.m. That means we arrived at Nairobi earlier, and yeah, it was fun. I loved everything. Oh my god, so our final destination, Tukiwa Water, was at town. We prayed and that was it. Then after that, everybody proceeded at their home, and it was one of a kind, one of the best road trips ever. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Of course, we'll see more of this. I'll keep on giving you more vlogs and more shorts and stuff. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe.